So you know what I'm saying? You got every car, you got every jewelry, you got every shit. You got everything. You got every shoe. You know what I'm saying? What else can I give somebody that got everything? The fridge.
Okay.
Yeah.
You better go count down. That's nice.
You know you let her eat that. What you talking about? They hit that fridge down. You deserve it, man. You deserve it. You deserve that.
That's $500,000.
$500,000.
$500,000.
Everybody gotta go.
I know I don't gotta give you the money, but you know what I'm saying? I don't know what to give you, so I suppose I gotta give you something. You could buy a car. You could buy more clothes. You could buy jewelry. You could buy me more Birkin bags. Shit, you could do whatever the hell you want.
I gotta go big dog flex on these folks.
Oh shit. Step on that motherfucker. Step on that. Well, you know you ain't gonna step on that. I'm just gonna pray. Amen. Amen. God bless you with more years for our kids.
500, man. Knapsack. Baby, man, you be tripping, man.
Happy birthday, and don't expect no Christmas gift from me, motherfucker. Ain't no Christmas gift. Only for the kids.
We ain't gotta keep doing this, oh God.
Huh?
We ain't gotta keep doing this.
Yeah, well, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I love you.
I love you too.
Mwah, my kids.